The Cameroon Baptist Convention CBC Health Services, in partnership with Orange Foundation Cameroon, is implementing strategies to create the first accessible digital library in Cameroon. The process started with the recruitment and training of book converters who will digitize all textbooks listed in the current official book list for primary and secondary schools in both the Anglophone and Francophone education systems. The digital library will feature textbooks officially prescribed for use in Cameroon's primary and secondary schools, beginning with language and literature textbooks. It will also offer customized educational materials designed specifically for print-disabled students, ensuring equal access to quality education.
Normally, for us to belong to the digital world, we must know how to use digital devices. So for us, they installed a program called NVDA. Though there are many other programs, but us in our case we used the NVDA app, which help us. It's like a talkback. Whatever you do on the keyboard, it tells you. So now for us, in the case of the mouse, for us we don't use the mouse, but now they taught us how to navigate on the keyboard on the computer using the NVDA app, which is the talkback app.
Given that learners with vision disabilities in Cameroon face significant barriers to education, the outcomes of which are limited preparedness for future opportunities, leading to exacerbated poverty, the Accessible Digital Library Initiative is intended to bridge this gap. With support from Orange Cameroon, the CBC Health Services team will develop a digital platform on the internet that will host e-books and audiobooks, converting hard copies of textbooks into accessible digital and audio formats, and then hosting these e-books and audiobooks on the platform.
Je suis ici dans le centre CBC à Bamenda pour une formation très spéciale, c'est-à-dire participer à un programme de conversion de livres de manière scolaire du niveau secondaire, de manière à ce que ce livre-là soit accessible aux étudiants malvoyants et aveugles. Et vraiment, cette formation a été quelque chose de particulier parce que déjà, c'est une première fois pour moi de me retrouver dans une telle formation qui a pour objectif de réellement toucher les problèmes dont plusieurs apprenants souffrent au Cameroun.
As a person who has been in a class with a visually impaired person, seeing their struggles, it is with great honor that I'm standing here to take part of this project to carry out book conversion, that is, converting secondary school textbooks to create a digital library for visually impaired persons.
It should be noted that the initiative to establish an accessible digital library aligns with international and national laws on inclusive education. It provides an opportunity for CBC Health Services and Orange Foundation to help approximately 500 learners with vision disabilities in Cameroon who face barriers to education.
I would like to give a special thanks to the Orange Foundation for their partnership to make sure that this project comes into fulfillment, and a special thanks to the Baptist Health District as well.
J'aimerais remercier la Fondation Orange, c'est-à-dire la Orange Foundation, pour ce partenariat avec la CBC. Parce qu'en fait, c'est quelque chose d'extraordinaire de mettre à la disposition des élèves malvoyants et aveugles des matériels didactiques adaptés à leurs conditions, à leurs défis, à leur situation et à leur handicap. Et c'est pour cela que nous sommes vraiment reconnaissants, et je suis grandement reconnaissant pour cette initiative, et nous aimerions que de telles initiatives puissent perdurer afin que plus d'enfants puissent en profiter et que plus d'enfants puissent être éduqués.
Their initiative is expected to transform lives, enabling individuals to escape poverty and make positive contributions to their communities.